To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab and pulling backwards. Pop off the wire clip. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF2884 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the wire clip. Reinstall the sensor. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.